Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to see one of the tool which is useful to identify subdomain takeovers. So after you have identified subdomains for any target program, you just need to supply all your subdomains to this tool and it will automatically identify the subdomain takeover vulnerabilities for you. So how to do it? First of all, you need to download and install this tool, which is subz. You can also clone this, or you can download a zip from here and do the further installation. If you do not want to do the installation manually, you can also install it with the help of Go, as a tool is created in Go. So for the installation, you just need to copy these two lines, which is go get and go install. Remember, for this you need to have the Golang installation into your computer, which is a prerequisite. So after you just copy paste this into your terminal, you will be able to successfully install the subz tool. Now, in case you come across any error, here it has clearly shown how to set your Go path for each shell environment. For example, if you are running bash, zsh, fish, Windows, etc., you can just copy paste these commands into your terminal and it will do the job for you. Now, as I'm running zsh, so I'm going to copy paste the above commands, which are this, into my terminal, and it will successfully export the Go path for me. I have already done it, but I'm again going to show you how to do it. So for this, you just need to go to your terminal and copy paste the command. As you can see, I'm running a zsh, so I have pasted this command and now the Go path has been successfully exported. Perfect. Now you can just copy paste those two commands, which was go get and go install, and subz should automatically get installed for your system without any issues. Now you can just verify if the installation has been done or no by typing the command, which is subz, and you should get a help menu like this. Perfect. So we have successfully installed the tool. Now it's time to test the tool to identify if it works or no. So you can see here are the options to use this tool. So the first one is target. In case you want to scan only one target, then you can give the option, which is subz space -- target. You can also give multiple targets by comma, as you can see over here. If you want to give list of subdomains or targets from any file, then you can just pass the path of the file and it will start scanning all the target domains or subdomains from that specific path. You can also increase the concurrency. Concurrency means the number of default checks, or you can say threads. It will make your process much more faster. Hide fail means you do not want to see which ones are failing, which means not vulnerable. You only want to see and is interested in which is vulnerable. Alright, so let's quickly test this. So I have made a file which is sites.txt, which contains all the subdomains. So I have enumerated these subdomains from my website, which is srsecure.xyz. So now I'm going to type the command, which is subz space -- targets sites.txt, as you can see over here. Now I'm also going to use the concurrency flag to increase the concurrency, which is the threads, to get faster responses. By default it uses 10 threads. I'm going to use 20, and you can see it has started scanning. Now this output is given by the tool, which is find domain. So you can see these are all the verbose messages that it gives, and it is this tool is trying and it is saying HTTP error. Okay, moving ahead, you can see apples.srsecure.xyz is not vulnerable, stko.srsecure.xyz is not vulnerable, but redmi k20.srsecure.xyz is vulnerable, and you can see it is pointed to Shopify. Perfect. So we have identified a vulnerable domain which is being pointed to Shopify but have not been claimed. We have identified more domains, which is store.srsecure.xyz, which is again pointing to Shopify. Now, let's say we do not want to see all such noise onto our terminal, and we are only interested in seeing those particular output which are vulnerable. Then you can simply type hide underscore fails, and you will be able to see only those targeted subdomains, like you can see, which are vulnerable. So let's confirm this if it is vulnerable or no. Going to the incognito browser, we can see the target is successfully vulnerable. So I hope you guys understood how you can install this tool, how can you supply your list with the subdomains and identify if the target is vulnerable or no. Thank you.